Welcome to 5 Minute English Lessons with Jim. I am Jim, and thanks for having a look. In this lesson, we are going to look at some common ways of expressing confusion or asking for clarification, because sometimes someone says something and you don't know what they're talking about. All right, let's get started. Sorry, I don't follow. This expression is used to indicate that you're having trouble following the speaker's logic or train of thought. Perhaps the speaker is explaining a problem to you or giving you directions, right? And you just don't quite understand what they're saying. So you can use this to ask for more information. For example, in order to calculate the total cost, you need to add the subtotal, then subtract the discount, and then divide that by 12.
Sorry, I don't follow.
Right. Okay, just put 0 in there. I'm a bit confused. This expression is used to indicate that you're having difficulty understanding something. Not all of it, just a little bit. I use this expression for clarification about a single point about what the speaker is saying. So, for example, maybe you're in a grammar class and you're following what the speaker is saying, and then the speaker says something that you don't quite get. So you ask the teacher, you say, "Hey, sorry, I'm a bit confused about that." Generally, when you say that, the teacher or whoever the speaker is will ask you for more information about what it is you're a bit confused about. Right? So, sorry, I'm a bit confused. About what exactly? Well, I don't really understand the different tenses. I don't get it. This expression is used to indicate that you don't understand anything about what is being said. Nada, zip. It can also be used to voice disagreement with what is being said. So, for example, let's say you have a friend who has a great job, and all of a sudden one day they come up to you and they say, "Hey, I'm going to quit my job and join the circus." Right? You look at them. I don't get it. Why would you join the circus? You're 50 years old. That makes no sense. Right? I don't get it. What do you mean? This expression is used to ask the speaker to explain something in more detail, to provide more information about something or why they're doing something. Say, for example, there's an important meeting tomorrow at work, and your colleague comes up to you and says, "Yeah, I'm not going to go to that meeting tomorrow." Right? You're shocked. What? What do you mean? Well, I have surgery at the hospital tomorrow at noon. Oh, okay, right. I understand. So, what do you mean? More information, please. Come again? Come again is a less formal way of asking the speaker to repeat what was just said. Maybe you didn't hear them, right? Maybe they're a mumbler. Or maybe they said something truly shocking that you can't believe, right? For example, let's say you have a friend that comes up to you and says something that you just find unbelievable.
I just married my lawnmower.
Come again? Another way of saying come again. Wait, what? Sorry, I didn't catch that. This is another less formal way of asking the speaker to again repeat something that you didn't understand or you couldn't hear properly. This, however, is not used when you want to express shock upon hearing something unusual, right? Save that for come again or sorry what. This is just simply a way of saying, I didn't hear what you said. What? Sorry, I didn't catch that. You can use that when someone is speaking too quietly or mumbling. Well, that about wraps it up. That is it for today. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. If not, hey, sorry to disappoint. See you in the next lesson.